Okay, hello everyone. So today I'll be sharing to you a product review, a short product review of this product. So this is a Human Nature Natural Sunflower Beauty Oil. It's made of oil extracted from sunflower seeds. Ayan, so this is a natural product, paraben free and fragrance free din actually siya. So, no toxic chemicals included ito. And, yeah. So, I've been using this product actually for mga a year or two na rin. So, I purchased this from Human Nature Manila through their Instagram account. That time, itong 100 ml nila is 320 pesos. So, they have the 100 ml and they also have a 50 ml na variant. Pero ang kinukuha ko lagi sa yung 100 ml na variant nila. So, at 320 pesos. Pero for now, meron ako mga nakikita sa Shopee. And meron din mga ibang resellers kasi na nagbebenta nitong product na to. So, nagre-range. Yung iba nagbebenta sila at a lower cost, which is nasa 253 pesos plus shipping cost. And then, meron din naman iba na nasa 300 pesos yung benta nila sa 100 ml. Ayan. Okay, so let's focus on the product. So, sabi ko nga ito is a natural based na product siya, extracted from sunflower seeds. And then, oil-based siya, so matipid siyang gamitin kasi it can cover a larger area ng balat mo. And actually, itong sunflower oil na to can be used from top to toe. Hindi ko makita yung toes ko. So, from top to toe, kasi pwede siyang gamitin sa hair as moisturizer. And then, pwede siya sa face as your skin moisturizer. And as a toner, kasi it can even out yung skin tone mo. And it can also lighten yung mga dark spots and pimple marks. Yan, yung mga pimple marks natin na ganyan. Kaya niyang mapalighten. And ako personally, ginagamit ko siya for lightening and moisturizing my lips. So, I use this oil to moisturize my lips. And sa mga fine lines, ayan, medyo hindi siya fine, malaki. Malalaki din yung lines natin sa leeg. So, I also use this hopefully to remove yung lines nga natin dito sa leeg. And pwede mo rin siyang gamitin sa kilikili, papaputi ng kilikili and pang moisturize para medyo maging smooth, o yung mga may chicken skin sa kilikili, pwede niyang matulungan na mas maging smooth yung skin mo. And pwede rin siya, sabi ko nga, since top to toe siya, so pwede siya sa arms, pwede siya sa body, torso mo, and then sa legs, and sa knees, mga may itim na tuhod and may itim na siko, so pwede siyang gamitin to. And kapag may mga rough spots or dry spots sa skin mo, maganda siyang gamitin kasi nakakatulong talaga siya na mas maging smooth yung skin. And ayan, just to show you how to use it, ito meron siyang parang pump siyang ganyan. So, very little amount lang can use para sa lips. So, I normally put it on the lips after taking a bath. And sa gabi, ginagamit ko rin siya sa gabi after maglabar or mag-clean up bago matulog. Lagay ko siyang ganyan. And pag sa face naman, mga two pumps, small pumps lang ng, yan, ito na siyang konti. Tapos spread mo lang siyang ganyan sa yung face. So, with special attention dito sa may bandang dito ng eyes and sa ilalim ng may bandang eye bags area. Yan. And sorry, nose and extend ko na rin siya sa neck. Kasi nga, para matulungan mag-lighten yung ating or medyo mapino yung ating lines dito sa leg. So, yung lines na yan is normally nakukuha natin kapag payat, tas tataba, or mataba, tas papayat yan. Yan yung nangyayari. Tapos, ano pa siya pwedeng gamitin? Ayun. So, it serves as moisturizer, pwede ring toner kasi it evens out your skin tone mo. And it can also help yung lighten yung dark spots like pimple marks or mga blemishes ng skin, lightens or parang medyo mag-fine out ng mga lines ng, what's that? Lines ng ating skin. Ayan. And then, si Human Nature, meron silang specific product for reducing yung stretch marks. Pero sa napansin ko, kasi minsan trinay ko din siya gamitin sa may belly area. So, medyo nakakatulong din siya actually na makabawas dun sa stretch marks. Yan. So, pwede siya sa mga dark spots din ng body, which are yung kilikili and bikini area. Yan, sa may bandang tuhod. Yan yung mga usual problem spots ng girls. Yan. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin. So, again, para sa akin, very, convenient to use. Very matipid kasi 320 pesos lang, and yung iba kung meron ka pang kumabili mo pa siya na discounted price, tapos tumatagal siya kasi nga oil-based, so madaling kaya niya makakover ng malaking part, and especially kung gagamitin mo lang naman siya for specific parts of your body, so mas matipid mo siya, abot siya ng taon na paggamit. Pero kung gagamitin mo top to toe, yan medyo mga ilang months na gamit siya, pero very nice na product. Tapos, kung mapansin nyo sa camera, although naglagay na ako sa face, hindi siya malagkit or oily tingnan. Yan. Hindi siya malagkit or oily tingnan. Tsaka light lang siya. Tapos hindi nga siya, wala siyang amoy na strong. Very, very, very light lang siya. And, since natural product siya, ginagamit ko rin siya para sa baby ko. So, Sophia! So, itong product na to, pwede rin siya sa bath. What would you like to tell our subscribers about the sunflower oil?
Okay, subscribers, this is a sunflower oil and it's gentle to nanny skin, but we can also use it. It's also used by child because the sunflower is beauty oil.
Yeah.
Natural sunflower oil.
Yep.
Is beauty oil.
Yes. Or would you like to use it for your lips? Diba? I'll let you use it for your lips. So, you just pump a small portion of that, and then
put it on your lips. It's also used by child.
Yes, you can also use it. Put it on your lips to avoid cracking and dry lips. There you go. Oh, that's it. Thank you, subscribers. Hope you like the product review. Oh, what is it, Sophia?
And sharing is great.
Yes, sharing is great. So Nana can share this product to Sophia.
And if you don't want to share, that's okay. You can ask your adults how to share.
Yes, sharing is caring, diba?
Yeah.
So you can also share this video and subscribe to our channel.
And like on this channel.
Yeah.
And me too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, subscribers. And me too. Click and like on this video.